much timely that we are here in Serbia and we say
kako je ostvariti uvođenjem jednog posebnog načina funkcionisanja koji nije samo saradnja, već kreiranje posebnih institucija za taj odnos i za tu vezu.
It is fantastic that Serbian citizens will be able to see this exhibition in Serbian, here in the Italian Cultural Institute, as well as in other cities, as the exhibition travels around, as the ambassador was explaining.
These are only few of security around also the day this way, so we have come.
And it starts